Hello, hi, I'm Francesca, and today I'm going to demo for you the new team discovery feature that we just released a few days ago. So, if you have a Todoist team for your company or for your business, then you have most likely gone through the process of inviting every single person at your company via their listing all their email addresses in this box, or maybe you have copied this link and send it to them via email. Either way, I will agree that this is quite a boring process for you. I apologize. So, team domain to the rescue. You'll find this new feature inside team settings on an existing team if you have one, and it's right here. It's a simple toggle that you can turn on. So we'll do that right now. And by doing this one click, I guess 2 clicks, what we're doing here is we're extending an invitation to everyone that has the same email domain and they have a Todoist account with that email domain. Let's see how the invitation looks like. Here I have another Francesca, which has though the same email domain. So let's see if she gets automatically invited to the new team, or the existing team, I guess. There you go. So it's here in the sidebar. I see this notification, and if for some reason I don't want to join right now because I don't know, I opened Todoist by mistake, but I was on vacation, I wasn't supposed to look at work, I don't know, I can dismiss this notice, this invite, and I'll say I'll just do it later whenever I have time. And when I do have time, what I can do is I can just simply click on the button that has the invitation. So I did that, and I easily joined the workspace, the team workspace that I was invited to based on my email domain. Now that I'm here, I can collaborate, create projects, do things. Just as an example though, I can also leave my team. I'll just show you how that looks like. If I do so, if I change my mind later on, I can still join the team. And what I can do as well is, I don't know, I can also create my own team, but I'm still reminded automatically that there is an existing team for me that I can join based on my email domain. So this is always kind of an open invitation for me, just an extra reminder that I am still invited to the party, so I can still join. And let's go back to the account that extended the invitation, just because I have the settings open here. And what we can do is we can retract, disable the team discovery feature, meaning that those invitations are not valid anymore. No one can join via their email domain anymore. So we can do so. And that's it. 2 clicks of, that's it. And the team discovery feature is also available when you create a team. So let's pretend this knitting workspace, this knitting team never existed. We're going to delete it. This is all test data, so no worries, I didn't lose anything important. And I'll just show you that if I create a new team now, I can do so. I'm going to do pottery this time. No more knitting. And you can see here that there's a team discovery toggle that I can activate or turn off it if I'd like. And that will help me invite automatically everyone that has the same email domain as me. Cool. That was easier than inviting everyone via email or sending them a link, right? Thank you for your time.